Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to generate images using ChatGPT. In order to do so, first off, here we are at ChatGPT and I am logged in and have began a conversation with ChatGPT in order to get some generations. And essentially what you can expect with ChatGPT is that you can every single day generate 3 different images. And that is the limit for the basic plan. You can generate more images if you upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. But essentially, 3 times a day, if you want to check in with ChatGPT and get some images, then you can. And this gives you an idea of the kind of result that you're going to get. What I did for this is just had a conversation with ChatGPT and said that I'm looking for a massive monolith taller than a skyscraper erupting unnaturally in the heart of an endless fantasy forest. And this is the result that it gave me. Pretty cool, pretty interesting. And you can see the little horse rider here, so that kind of gives you some sense of the scale. But it's not exactly what I was looking for. So I made more specific details with ChatGPT and I got something a little bit closer to what I'm looking for. I like a lot of the detail here, what's going on, but then I went on to tell ChatGPT better, it can be taller, ending in a spire. And I want to see more green in the trees. So here, ChatGPT has given me this result and I really like this. I probably was looking for not just a straight pine forest that seems just a bit uniform and dull maybe, but I do like how the spire goes all the way up into the sky and we have our swirling vortex there. Still not quite what I'm looking for, but I can probably check in with ChatGPT tomorrow and continue to refine my prompt, get 3 more generations, or as it says here, you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. So that gives you an idea of how you can create images with ChatGPT as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.